Heading to Denny's. It's not blocking it. Y'all ready?
Well, my door was so close to hitting this car, but look, we got close like that.
But we didn't hit it.
Squished through there because I'm so tiny.
Huh?
I squished through that door because I'm so tiny.
About to get some breakfast.
This does not look like Denny's.
Give me a hand. Take me. There you go. Eating off of the big person menu.
You was my flying gun.
Huh?
That looks so gross.
What do? What is that? Bacon. Bacon sundae. Some people like it like that.
Mom.
What? What are you doing?
You don't have no pen. You don't have no cereal.
Y'all ready to eat? Yeah. Melly.
Oh wait, this is cereal.
Ready to eat?
Yeah. That's cereal.
We have to take a break to eat.
Yes, because I was starving. I was saying, Mom, I'm hungry in the car.
Took a Denny's break. Wait, don't put that in the video. My Booskie's here. She missed me. She missed me.
Don't put it in the video.
She missed me so much.
Don't put it in the video.
I'm gonna put it in there just because you're so goofy. I'm gonna do it. Why are you doing such a dork?
Stop. Taji.
I missed her face.
Mom, Taji keeps hitting my head.
Stop hitting, Taji. Stop hitting. That was a terrible face, Danae. That's that face Danae make. There go the Danae face right there. That's how she do, huh? She like.
Janelle, I thought you were in Spain. Brat.
Stop. Stop.
This would end up like the guys in the video.
Fighting in the middle of the restaurant. You guys are silly. You miss your brother and your sister?
Yeah.
I miss my
Yeah,
little
you
brother.
miss your little brother.
Taji ran outside the house and went straight to me.
Yeah, he missed you. You missed him?
Mhm.
Oh my gosh.
But he looked like this.
Reunited
When
in
you
his
guys
face.
were gone,
Oh, too close. Reunited. Food has arrived. What you got?
I have a double burger. I hate how whenever they say on the side, they always have to put something on the
Yummy.
side.
About to eat.
Wow.
Wow.
She won't let us have an onion ring. She only eating one.
It's her food. Then get out of her plate. How you trying to eat her food?
It's because every time she runs out of onion, she's like, "Give me one." You like,
No. Eat your food. Here, pumping the gas for us. She's so excited. She's been wanting to do this whole time. Huh?
Every time I get out to do it, she's like, "Can I do it?" And I was like, "No, let Junior do it." And finally, she's doing it.
She finally gets to pump the gas. Check you out. And this guy, what you doing in the front seat? Why are you in the front seat? You driving? Okay. Don't press no buttons, you hear me? No button pressing, sir. Look at all my hard-earned money is going down the drain.
Taller? If I get like all the way up to here, then I feel like I'm gonna.
You'll be able to see over there.
All the way over. I am gonna be.
You just gotta get a little bit taller.
I gotta get a little bit taller and a little bit. I gotta get a little bit taller and a lot older.
Oh, you are so right. Huh? Okay, it's probably full there. You gotta put the thing back on. You got the other way. Other way. There you go. So then that. He's so excited. Everybody's ready? Next stop is home.
Oh my god.
You ready?
I'm so ready to see the new puppy.
Yay.
Oh,
Next
wait,
stop is
yeah.
home. Put all your seatbelts on. Everybody, seatbelts, seatbelts.
I brought you a little.
Seatbelts, 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 seatbelts.
I brought you a little thing.
Taji, put your seatbelt on.
Okay.
Buckle up.
Where should I put the food?
Where is it at? Just leave it. Let's go. That is mine. You guys left it. You guys are back home. Yay. Huh? Your knees don't work? What happened to them?
It feels like we bought it. Whenever we
Why is my truck on the window? Leave him alone.
Welcome home. Smiles, smiles.
Hello.
Where you going, Mel? Mel, where you going? You missed it. Junior. It's been a long time, huh? You missed your bed in your room? Here, where'd Taji go? Did he bring him out already? Up.
Hi.
Turn that light on.
So much bigger.
Oreo!
Oreo.
You guys get to see your puppy. He's like, who are all these people?
He's no puppy.
Turn the light on.
He's so cute. You guys be picking him up?
Yeah.
He's big. He's so big.
He's excited.
Look, he's all happy.
He's excited to see you guys.
He's so cute.
He got big, huh?
He's so cute.
He's not allowed on
Go show Lucy some love, too.
I am.
She been missing you
That's
guys.
what
Oreo. Everybody's home.
Yo, this is a big dog.
He's a big one. huh?
puppy.
He's getting big.
This is a huge dog.
Whoa.
Oh, go ahead, Mom.
Hey, come here. Hey, buddy. Oh, snap. You're right. He has a whole bunch of food on the freaking ground.
You probably tipped the whole thing over.
Ew.
Oreo.
Let me go. What's it called?
Coach
I'm gonna
it.
let you.
Let me go put my shoes.
Feels a lot. You ready to get started? Organizing. This is all this K through 12 stuff. He just gonna follow y'all. Taji, how does it feel to have everybody home?
Good.
Good. Your brothers and sisters are back?
Yeah.
Yay! Welcome back, guys.
Excuse me, Mom.
Lucy, scoot over, guys. Move, Lucy.
Nice.
No, no.
No, Lucy.
Mama.
Lucy and Oreo.
What's
Oh my
your
gosh,
girl?
she's getting Oreo with me too.
Hi, Mom.
You can see your doggies.
Hi, Mama.
Hi,
Lucy said she haven't seen you guys in a long time.
Super big.
She is. Yeah, she is. She's always shutting.
What's up, guys?
Y'all left with one dog and came back to two.
Uh-huh. What's up, Oreo? What's up, guys?
They're so
I missed you, Lucy.
So big.
You're so big.
Yes. How old is Oreo?
I was not expecting Oreo to be this big.
It's like a couple months.
That's
Boy.
what I saw. He's like this small.
Yeah, I told you he got big.
Oreo! He's so big. Ow, Lucy. Strip. Lucy.
She ain't seen you guys in like almost 2 months.
What's up,
Come here,
Oreo?